How to fix your GTA modder continuously kicking you problem. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So modders can use cheats to kick, crash, or disrupt players. They can also freeze, trap, or ruin your session. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and use a solo public session. First, simply go to your online settings, find new session, and join an invite only session for like 30 minutes to 1 hour until they won't follow you to new sessions. You can simply go ahead and change your MTU settings as well to 800 to limit connections with players, reduce modder chances. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and enter your passive mode. A passive mode is going to be in the interaction menu, and you will be able to avoid most player attacks. If that is not the case, you can simply block and report the modders as well, and avoid any kind of full lobbies, join smaller or solo sessions to lower your risk. If none of it is working, you want to simply go ahead and only play with trusted friends. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below.